and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, please make sure you subscribe to our channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to see what else we have to offer you. This morning, as I was popping down to one of my local shops, I ran into the son of one of my neighbours, and I hadn't seen him for a while, so I stopped and had a little chat to catch up, see what he's been up to. And he told me that he graduated earlier this year, and he's now faced with trying to get a job in what's maybe the most unfriendly and hostile economic environment for at least a generation. Because of COVID-19, unemployment is going through the roof at the moment. People are getting laid off left, right and centre, and it's hard to find decent employment. He told me that he had applied for one particular job in the field that he wants to work in, but he'd been told that around 700 people have applied for the same position. So he doesn't hold out much hope of getting the job. Well, I said, I guess you can but try. If you say you can but try, it means there's no harm trying. It doesn't hurt to try, even though the odds of success may be very small. So in the same way, a student might say to you, I'm determined to take the Cambridge Advanced exam. And you might think, I wouldn't do that, I'm not sure you're going to pass. But you want to be positive, so you say, well, I guess you can but try. If you have enjoyed the video, click the like button, share it with your friends, and in the comment section below, we'd love to hear examples of times when you could have said, well, you can but try.